In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your PayPal username, step-by-step guide. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the official PayPal website. Using the address bar is the safest route. Type the site in directly and make sure the URL shows the secure lock icon. On the home page, look to the top right corner and click Login. Enter your email address and your password, then select Login to access your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your PayPal dashboard. In the top right corner, find your profile icon and click it. From the drop-down menu, choose Account Settings. This is where you manage the details that appear on your account. For business accounts, your public-facing username is typically the name shown in your business profile, so that's what we'll review next. Inside Account Settings, click the Business Profile tab, then select Business Information. Here you can view what PayPal currently shows for your business. To see full details or make changes, click Update. This page is effectively where you confirm the name customers and contacts will see when they interact with your PayPal account. If you need to adjust the name, click Edit next to your business or legal name. You'll be asked to choose a reason for the change from the provided list. Common options include a name change or a rebranding. Click Continue to move forward. Next, enter your first and last name exactly as you want them to appear on your PayPal account. Double-check spelling, capitalization, and spacing so everything looks professional and consistent with your branding or legal records. To finalize any updates, PayPal will ask you to verify your identity. Upload a clear photo of the front and back of a valid, non-expired ID. Make sure the images are sharp, all corners are visible, and every detail is readable. Good lighting and a neutral background make a big difference. When everything looks clear, submit the documents for verification. After you complete these steps, your PayPal account information will be updated or confirmed. Processing times can vary, so keep an eye on your notifications and email for status updates from PayPal. That's it for this tutorial on checking your PayPal username and updating your displayed name if needed. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PayPal tips and tutorials.